Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Instacart app for grocery delivery. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just signed up for Instacart and you're wondering how to get your groceries delivered. This video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Instacart app. We're first going to go ahead and set our address. So on the top left-hand corner, click on your address. Then you can either use your current location, but I recommend actually entering your address so that it's accurate. Now, once you set your address, this is the list of different shops that you could actually go ahead and use Instacart with. Now, some of these shops are going to require memberships, such as Costco or Sam's. Some are not, but go ahead and find the store which you want to go ahead and shop from. So we're going to go ahead and choose Costco. So it's going to actually go ahead and open up the Costco app that looks like this. And so with it, you can start shopping at Costco. And as you start to add items to your cart, let's say we add this Greek yogurt. You can click on View Cart on the bottom hand side, then click on Go to Checkout, and then with it, click on Continue to Checkout, and then this is where you're going to choose your delivery settings. I normally like to go ahead and just do a regular delivery, and you can see here that you can add a tip, decide your payment method, you can make it as a gift, click on Continue, and that's pretty much it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use Instacart for grocery delivery. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.